we'll discuss class 11 maths and we are discussing chapter 1 set. Today we'll discuss the type of set and one of them is power set. So first of all we'll understand the definition of power set and then we will understand this power set by an example. So what is power set? The set of all subsets, the set of all subset of a given set is called power set. Means you have given a set and you will find the subset of that given set and again form a new set by the given subset is called its power set, and it is denoted by PA, power set of, suppose that we have a given set A. Clear? So we will understand it by an example. पावर सेट क्या है कि एक सेट आपको गिवन है, उसके जितने भी सबसेट्स होंगे उन सबको आप एक नया सेट बनाएंगे तो वो आपका पावर सेट होगा. क्लियर? लेट A is given a set 1, 2, 3. So first of all what you done, you will do find the subset of this. So subset निकाल लेते हैं इनके. What is the subset? Subset of this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 5. Clear? So now we get 8 subset is this. Clear? 8 subset of the given set. Now if you write power subset of A, so the power subset of A can be written as curly bracket start 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5. Clear? Okay, for power subset of A, these are the element of for power subset. I repeat, यहाँ जो ये आपके पास सेट 1 है, ये सेट 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, these are the element of power subset. Clear? It means suppose I given the name of these sets. So this is set 1, I give the name B, C, D, E, C, D, E, F, G B and Clear? So what we can write it as B is belongs to PA. BA किसको belong करेगा? PA को. सबसेट नहीं होगा, but B is a subset of A. B is a subset of A and for power subset के लिए ये element है इसलिए belongs के साइन आएगा. Subset B is belongs to this. If we write it as like that, B is a subset of PA, so it is totally wrong. Why? Because the BA is an element, not a subset of PA. Clear? So similarly we can write it as C is belongs to PA, D is belongs to PA and so on. Clear? So we can write it as D is a subset of A, but D is belongs to PA, power subset. Clear? So what is power subset? Power subset is a set of all elements. Clear? You can understand one more example clearly. This, suppose we have x, a set of x comma y containing elements x comma y, and we have to find the power subset of x. Clear? So first of all we will find the subset of the given set. So subset of x comma y comma xy and phi. So this is the power set of x. Clear? Now next we will discuss universal set. Universal set, the set containing all objects or elements of which all other sets are subsets. Clear? Universal set is a set of containing all object and elements in which the other subset is made up. Clear? Or we can say universal set is a set of which contain all objects including itself. We can understand it by an example. Clear? Let A is a set x such that x is a student of 11th A. Clear? B is a set of x such that x is a students of 11B. C, x is that x is a student of 11C. So we have three sets given. Now we will find universal set. So universal set can be written as x is that x is a students of class 11th. Clear? So this is more suitable than the students of the school. Clear? We can write it as universal set of all these sets is more suitable. So one word I use, suitable. Suitable means which is approximately justify with these sets. So we have set A of student of class 11th A, B is set of student of class 11B, and C is a set of student class 11C. So we can say x is a such that x is a students of class 11th A, 11. Not only if I write x such that x is a students of school, so that is not suitable for these. So what is universal set? Universal set is containing all elements. So the is 11th class 11th containing student of class 11th A, class 11th B and class 11th C. Clear? So this is universal set. It is denoted by U, letter U. Clear? It means universal set. Clear? We can see some few more example. A, x is that x is a set of vowels. B, x is that x is set of consonants. Clear? So universal set x is that x is a set of alphabet of English language. Clear? So we have A is a set of vowels, B is a set of consonants, and X is a set of English alphabet of English language, the set of alphabet of English language. Clear? So this is more suitable than this. I hope it is clear to you. Power set and universal set.